In this video, I will show you how to find saved posts on Instagram. Now let's say I want to save this post right here. All I have to do is to click this button right here, the bookmark button, and it automatically saves the post to my collection. Now in order for me to find the saved post on Instagram, all I have to do is to click this profile icon right here, and then tap on these three lines on the upper corner. Now that you're here, all you have to do is to click this save button right here, and you will automatically see the post that you've saved. Now in order for you to view it further, you can just click on this, and then you will be able to see the post that you saved on your collection. Now you can also make a collection out of it, of the posts that you have saved. You just have to click on this button right here, and then you can just select the post that you saved, hit next, and then you just have to name your collection album that you made, say here. And now you have another collection in your saved album. So that's it, that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!